Okay. Okay. Hey, y'all seen me on 1320? KT.
I think the Chevy got it.
You think the Chevy got it?
Oh no, it's a Chevy.
Okay, she with the Chevy, y'all. She with the Chevy.
I hope the Chevy got it.
Let me see. Let me see. I'm scared to walk over. Let me see. Let me see if she got everything on. Hey, you got everything on? I can bet with. I'm gonna bet with her. You know she ain't coaching. Okay. Let me see if she know how to burn it out good. Where y'all going, man? Y'all think this? Okay. Hey. Where y'all going right here, man? Y'all already know. Excuse me. Y'all already know. Excuse me. Okay. Where y'all going? She already done pulled up. She ready.
Yeah, I know. Has this thing got anything done to it? Or is it just
Yeah, it got something now. It got something done to it. She got slicks and everything.
I see the slicks.
Yeah, you ain't gonna put slicks on nothing. Stop.
When I see a hood exit exhaust, to me that's a oh shit. That's a red flag. Do not race that car.
Yeah.
They got something for you.
He got a turbo on there.
He's got a big turbo on there. He didn't launch in the boost good last time, but once he got into the boost halfway down the track, he pulled hard as fuck.
You think it's gonna be good enough because she gonna take off good?
That's what I mean. If this is supercharged, they're gonna be
it's
gone
supercharged.
I don't think he can catch him. Then it's too heavy.
She got a whipple on there, man. She got a whipple.
You got the right lane? I don't know. Everybody seems to be right lane. It just depends on who gets the tree, I think. This car will never catch this car, I don't think. So if this truck gets okay.
She done learned how to do her burnout real good. Yeah, she do her burnout real good. I'll tell her don't go up that far, but that's cool.
Side. That's a big turbo, man.
She doing
I
good.
wasn't impressed with the launch before. We'll see. It's a big, heavy truck over there, man. You got a single cab on slicks, dude. That's gonna be tough.
Wu-Tang 512, Texas Ways. Look out. Where y'all going? Here we go. Left lane, red lighted, man.
Big ass bitch fucking up. And he drives.
Hey, my homeboy say he finna bring his girl up here with his Tahoe. He wanna race your girl.
We gotta go next Thursday.
Next Thursday.
How much? Tell her how much.
Hey, they ready. Hey, they say how much? Chorizo. Yeah, next week.
Tell Chorizo to suck my dick.
Yeah, he said chupa is huevos. Chupa. Hey, he said how much? He talking about $40. They said it starting at 40. A turbo. It got the same turbo kit that Avalanche got. Yeah.
We'll see.
But a different tuner. All right, hey, they'll see, man. All right, bet. All right, Chloe. We'll holler at you later, Chloe. Bye, Chloe. Hey, let me see what else in here. Okay. 50 pesos. Chorizo, he gonna get you, boy. He talking about they were confident. They were confident. Uh-oh. He done got hugged there. I thought he was finna do something. I thought he was finna do something. See how many people. Hey, y'all. This music. Okay. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel. Let me get y'all this. There you go. There you go. It came here and lost that quick. Easy money. My boy steady getting paid, man.
I'm gonna go up there tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we can see that good truck shootout.
Yeah.
We're gonna see what they talking about, man. We're gonna see if Brody a good promoter.
Yeah.
Pretty sure he is, though.
Yeah.
All the other ones have been bangers. So
Okay.
we gotta pull up and show out, you know.
Pulling up and show out, y'all. But anyway, yeah. Let me see something, man. Oh, man. 351 Cleveland modified motor. What's up with it, man? Got one of them old front distributor cap engine building. Man, in a minute, I'ma say, y'all old schools, y'all gonna be missed, man. All the ones that can put a distributor cap on with the wires without Googling it.
Is that for OnlyFans, bro?
Yeah, it's OnlyFans.